back to my channel. Another product which I am going to review for you guys, and this one is actually an eyeshadow palette wherein I was really I really have had an eye on this product for a long time and really wanted to get my hands on. And also I've seen like so many people have reviewed so good about it, especially the foiled eyeshadow inside this palette is amazing. It's like so beautiful. I've seen Tati has reviewed this palette and she had given this palette 5 stars, so I definitely wanted to review this for you guys. Not only that, this is one of the most cheapest eyeshadow palette I have found, and that's too on Ulta Beauty. And this one actually is the product of Ulta Beauty itself, and this one is in collaboration with Malissa. This is the eyeshadow palette I'm talking about, as you can see. And once I'll open this up and this flap up, you will be amazed to see the kind of product, the kind of eyeshadow combination they have inside. Let me open and show you guys. Very good size mirror. And then this is the eyeshadow palette I'm talking about, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's like so beautiful. Look at these eyeshadows, the foiled eyeshadow. These are like beautiful shimmers. So yeah, I'm really excited and trying on all of these. You have like 1 2 3 4 5 matte colors, and then some of these are satinic shimmery shades. And also look at this, I am really excited to try this particular one and this one. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. I really want to open this and try to kind of swatch it on the back of my hand and show you guys how they swatch, and then we'll work on the eyes. Foiled eyeshadows, and give you guys a nice, ooh, wow, look at that. And look at the pigmentation, look at the kind of like everything about this foil eyeshadow. I love them. And let me swatch it at the back of my palm. There you go, you guys. Oh my god, I love this one, the way it's swatched. It's beautiful. This have total of 9 colors right here, eyeshadow colors, and then you have 3 shimmers. It comes with a brush and a shimmery I believe it's a lipstick. I'm not sure. Let me see if it's a, okay, it's a glitter liquid eyeliner. Wonderful. I have my foundation and my eyebrows done. Now let's move on to my Melissa Michelle Ulta Beauty eyeshadow palette. So first of all, I'm going to take a fluffy brush, something like this. This one is from ELF and it's called Fluffy Eye Blending Brush. So I am going to take the lighter shade, dip my brush into it, and kind of go into my crease first. Color I'm taking is called 100%. Then I'm going to take another fluffy dome-shaped fluffy brush. This one is from Morphe and this one is called M330. And now I'm going to take color Florida on the tip of my Morphe brush and just go into the crease and kind of intensify this dark color right here. As you can see, the pigmentation is awesome. I love it. Okay, moving on, I'm going to take another brush, which is a random brush, and I'm going to take the darkest shade in the palette, which is this one. It's called OYYY. I just hope it is pronounced the same. It's not O-Y or O-A or Y. It's called OYYY, the burgundy shade. And I'm gonna just focus on the outer V. And work, kind of blend the rest of the color with the same brush, but no makeup, no extra eyeshadow. And now I'm also gonna take on the same brush this brownish shade, and I'm gonna intensify the corner, just the corner. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want to try out every single shade in this palette. If you're happy, you can stop here. If you want to go further, you can take more steps and keep on intensify the color until you feel that you have achieved the required or desired color. I'm going to take the Florida on the same brush and go just below my lash line. And then I'm gonna take a little dense brush, something like this, and I am going to something like this, and I am going to take this OY and boob ears and go really close to my lash line. Now I am going to be using my favorite eyeshadow of the palette, and this one is called Manifest. This is how it's swatch, and I'm just going to, with the help of my finger, as you can see half of my lid is left, I'm going to just press it into onto my lids. You might have a little fallout, but oh my god, oh my god, look at this, you guys, oh my gosh, I am dying. Look, I'm very careful when I'm close to my inner corners because I really don't want to scatter it all over. Try to clean up. Manifest is the best manifestation of my life. Seriously, you guys. Let me take this flatting. It's not coming up on the brush, but let's try if I can go a little close to my inner corners. Yeah, it's difficult, but let's try. Not bad. It's beautiful. You'll be opening this Michelle glitter liquid liner, and I'm gonna take this and put it in my inner corner. Can you see that? And let's take a little further, like just the little bit of the corners. I'm not sure how it's gonna look, and just very close to my lash line. I think I'm not planning to have liner on because, as I said, my hooded eyes don't really look good with the wing liner, but I'm gonna take some black eyeshadow and kind of create a smoky effect right in the corner. So I'll be using my Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and from this one I am taking the color called Black Heart. This is a very dark burgundish brownish shade. It's not actually a black color, but I think it's gonna go well in this with this particular look. So let's go ahead and apply this. Where is my brush gone? And I'm just going in the outer corner, not really trying to get anything towards the inner corner. And then also I'm gonna do just the outer third part, not really doing anything. and this is how it opens up my eyes. And I'll be back with doing my other eye and also my lashes on, and then I'll be back in a minute. Guys, welcome back. I am done with my eye makeup, and this is how my eye makeup looks. The best and the best and the bestest part of this palette is that all these eyeshadow, all these 3 eyeshadow, which are like the shimmery shades, these are like the sparkle or the loose pigments on my eyelids. I had 0 fallout. I did have a little bit fallout when I was using my brush, and you know, in a corner when I used this dense brush to apply it, oh, it went like awesome, smooth, and it was like the bestest application. I have something on my eyes here. I have like some of the best applications, some of the best handling eyeshadow pigments in front of me, and these are so easy to apply. I'm sorry about the helicopter, New York helicopter ticking around. The one which I have on my eyes is called Manifest, and this golden one is called Bro. Hey Bro. It's not Hey Bro, but yes, it's called Bro. And the last one, which is the greenish shade, it's called the Criss. It's called Criss. So very, very tongue twisting kind of words, but let me swatch at the back of my hand so that you can see what kind of glitters and pigments and everything you have. Yeah, another best part is you don't need any glitter primer or glitter glue to apply, and still they go really beautiful on your eyelids. These are like so beautiful. I'm not really satisfied with the swatch. I don't know how it's going to be on my eyelid with the golden one, which is called Bro so far. Golden shade right here. But yes, this is the swatch of these 3, which is Manifest, Bro, and Criss. Line, I'm going to do it for you. The first one is called Rotor Man. This is how it's swatched. This is a very nice brow bone matte color. If in case you want to, you know, don't want to put in a lot of glitter and shininess to your eyes, you can always highlight your brown bone areas with this Rotor Man eyeshadow. The next one is called Boo Beer, which I have on in my crease, and this is how it swatch at the back of my hand. And the last one in the first line is called Dude, and this is like the darker, whoa, beautiful swatch. The 3 colors, these are called Rooterman, Boo Beer, and Dude right here. And here are the swatches. And these are the colors. If you guys want to try on, get your hands on, this thing is available for half the price now these days in Ulta Beauty. Go ahead, grab it, try it, experiment it, play with it. And yeah, this is a really, really nice eyeshadow palette with all the nicely pigmented eyeshadow, and the color combination is just awesome. And the sparkling eyeshadow is something to die for. I can bet you guys you cannot find any pigment foiled eyeshadow such good quality with such good, you know, performance on your eyes nowhere else but in this palette. So yes, go grab it. This is 100% 5-star product for you guys. I was thinking the other day why I always keep on, you know, reviewing the foundation for you guys. I should be doing other things as well. It's not just the foundation which makes a difference, but it's almost every single thing which make a difference, which when it comes to makeup, which makes a difference for your face, for your personality, for your persona. So yeah, I will be coming up with more and more products to review for you guys, give you first impression on different things. Let me guys know, what do you think, what do you guys want me to review. Also, if you guys, you know, whatever your comments, your suggestion you want to, you know, give me, just leave the comment below. Let me guys know how I'm doing on this YouTube channel. Your appreciation is everything for me. just take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Love me or hate me, I'm all yours. So yeah, with that, I'm going to end up this video. Don't forget to subscribe once again. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye and ciao.